Okay, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I did not get to vlog while I was in Home Depot. I kind of went in and out. Y'all know the coronavirus got everybody. I'm gonna get to you.
You messed up.
I'm fine, I got this. All right, so y'all know the coronavirus got us inside, being creative, thinking of ideas, wanting to do stuff that we were been supposed to do and haven't done yet. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna build a flower wall. Let me show y'all where. Y'all, I was gonna vlog in Home Depot, but they got us going in one at a time, waiting in line. By the time I got in there, I went looking for what I was supposed to do. Get, and I got out. So so I have the foam boards right here that I got from Home Depot. They had the big ones, you know, the real big ones, but I was in my little car, so there's my son. He's gonna help me. Say hi to GJ, everyone.
Hi.
So I got these and I'm gonna put them together. The guy helped me find the, we gotta get the glue. Can you go get the glue out the car?
Sure.
It's in a,
Let's see your back.
it's in it should be in the back seat. Check both, back seat or,
Front seat.
yeah, the door is locked.
Oh.
All these flowers on the floor I got from Walmart. They're artificial flowers. I asked the lady in Home Depot, do they have flowers so I can like eliminate going to all these places during quarantine? And she straight up looked at me like I sized her gangster and was like, ma'am, we don't sell artificial flowers. And turned her head. I was like, okay, sis, my man. So right here, it was this picture I painted over. Should be dry now. I painted over a few days ago. I'm gonna move this back and put the board right here. Kind of want to make a selfie area for my clients. I only have one hair chair now, so I want to make a selfie area for my clients. If you've been in here before, you know how the back looks back there. If not, I'm gonna take you on a quick tour. So. Okay, so we are cutting the wrapper and undoing the foam. I was completely lost on how to do this foam, y'all. Like, I'm reading instructions and instructions telling me to do one thing. I'm like, nope, I'm just about to try to like pull this out because apparently like there's foil right there, and so you have to stick something down there and puncture the foil in that hole. But I was like, maybe I can just squeeze it out. Let me just try that. So I tried squeezing it, and I smelled it, but like nothing was coming out. So I was like, I'm about to pull this piece out. I'm like, let me just keep trying because I smell it. It's there, it's about to happen. And it's not happening. So I was like, how do you get this piece out? Very lost and confused. This is my first time doing foam and glue. Like, I've never done this before, and I continue to try to figure this out for the longest, y'all. Like, I'm reading the directions, and the directions say to cut the tip and puncture the tube. Like, it says something like that, and I'm thinking like, all right, I cut the tip already, so like, what's going on? And then you have my child in the background who gets bored because I'm taking forever and starts playing with my flowers. And yes, they're artificial, but I'm like, he's gonna end up messing them up. So just put them down, please, sir. And yet, I'm still struggling trying to figure out how to get this glue to come out. Like, my main thing was like, I want to do this the proper way. So then I started pushing the bottom of it because I'm like, maybe it's like one of those ice creams. You know those little push pop ice creams? I don't think it's called push pop, but I was like, maybe it's like one of those where you just push it and glue starts coming out. And then so I'm like pushing it, and I was like, I smell it, it's getting louder, And then I'm like, no, it's not coming out, it's still not coming out. So at that point I'm like, you know what, I'm about to just cut this thing out. I'm just about to twirl it on out. But either way it go, it got to go because nothing is coming out. Like, absolutely nothing is coming out. So basically what I did was just pull the tubing out. I was still debating if I want to do that or not, because I was like, I don't know if I pull this tubing out, is it just gonna like ruin everything or what? But I ended up doing it, and boom, punctured that little seal with scissors, and there was the glue. I'll be darned. There was the glue. I'm like, this whole entire freaking time, that's all I needed to do was just puncture that little portion. And if you hear my son in the background, please excuse him. This is what quarantine and chill got me like. He's everywhere with me. He's always everywhere with me, but like literally now he's like glued to my hip type vibe. Okay, so I don't want to hear y'all talk about how I put this stuff on, okay? Just sit back and watch. Okay, so this is the cheap and easy way to do this, y'all. There's other ways you can like stand this whole thing up. Right now it's drying. Crap, I just dropped my nails. I have these nails. This was already here from the other mirror that we used to hang here, so we're gonna keep that there because that will hold up this one. And I'm just gonna put a few nails behind here to hold up this one. And you know, it'll just be us like pushing this into the wall, into the nail. And oh, you found the nails, GJ? Okay. And of course I would say don't use nails because you know when you decide to relocate, you know how landlords are. But this you can pull out the wall. These little nails you can just hit them back into the wall. So yeah, so we got 1, 2, 3. Put one here. Did you find that one?
Yeah, it was on your shoe.
Where is it? That we have that taken care of. We are going to start cutting the. Can you let me do my video? This is my channel, not yours. What color scheme I want to do yet, but these are the colors I have. Y'all know it's turquoise, black, and gray in here. So I just don't know, you know, what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add some yellow. I'm gonna experiment, but I just want to show y'all exactly what you do first. Basically, you're going to take these. You're going to take these and you're going to cut them. And then cut them like that. Like I said, I got these from Walmart. They're like $1. And you're going to pluck them. Let me show y'all. Pluck them. You're going to stick them in the boards. Just like that. And you're gonna repeat that all the way across and down on both boards. Now, I'm afraid that I don't have enough, but we're going to make it work. Still working. Heads up, you have to put these up either 1 by 1 or 2 by 2, or it's gonna collapse on you. Don't judge me, I learned that the hard way. The nails are kind of holding it to the wall, not as steady as you can see, a little wiggly, but that's okay because this is not for any children to play, any adults to play. This is for decor, to take pictures. No one should be leaning, playing over here. I plan to move this couch out of here, put a desk here. That way they don't even go over there unless it's picture time. They hair to the back to do what, lashes, facial, whatever, but they stay out the way up here. He knows better. No kids are allowed here. Only mine and the girls that work. This is the wall. I had to go buy more flowers. That's something that the YouTubers don't tell y'all, how much flowers you're gonna run through. I'm like, to the point now I'm not even finding the ones because I'm going to all the Walmarts in my area and buying up the colors that I need. These were 97 cents a piece. These are daisies. They were, you know, and these were the ones that were $1.47. These are 97 cents a piece. They're not the same blue, but of course I'm gonna make it all come together. So this is time consuming. First day, 3 hours doing this wall, putting this wall up. Today I've only spent an hour. I was putting on leaves and the last little bit of blue that I had from the first batch in white. So I'm about to take a break and eat, and then I'm gonna start back on the wall, and I'll update you all again. I just want to show y'all, when you are putting these in, you gotta put them in from an angle and make it stay, because if you just poke it like that, look, it's not gonna stay. If you just poke it like that, it's not gonna stay. It's gonna pop right back out. So you have to like push it down at an angle for it to stay. And some have been falling out. Like look at this one. It's falling out. I have to push it down. And if it don't work, another area. And then what I'm also doing is I'm taking a piece of these, because that metal is hard to cut unless you got you some really hefty scissors. So I'm taking a piece of this and I'm poking it. When I pull this off, I'm poking it back inside right there and then plugging it in the wall. That helps it stay better. So just a heads up. And that's time consuming, y'all. Like this kind of quick, y'all. This is the wall. I decided not to fill it up with flowers because sorry y'all, I'm just tired. This is day 2 and this took me almost 4 hours. I decided not to fill it up with flowers. It tends to get a little expensive the more you have to buy flowers. I went to the store 3 times to get stuff. I decided to add some Ting to look like vines. You see them, they're silver. And I like it. I actually like how the wall turned out. You know, you can do spring at the bottom, spring summer at the bottom, winter fall at the top. I love it actually. I like the white background. I thought that I was gonna be very disappointed that I wasn't able to continue to fill up with flowers, but I actually love it. It's gonna look beautiful. I took pictures and you cannot even tell. It looks really good. So I think I'll fill it up one day if I feel the need be. But right now, I think it looks really good. I think it goes really well. Next is gonna be getting rid of this and building a desk. But that's gonna be another, who knows. All right, y'all, so make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, share to win a free pair of lashes. You must like this video on YouTube, not on Facebook or anywhere else. Like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and then go to my Facebook, share this post, and say done. That's the only way you can win a free pair of lashes. If you're local, you can pick them up. If you're not local, I can ship them with the shipping fee. All right, bye y'all.